Hello everyone. As all of you are working on your presentations, most of the students being unfamiliar with some softwares and applications or internet uses are confused about how to upload their presentation on Google Drive. So today I just want to guide you about two things: how to upload your file on Google Drive, plus how to make your slides relatively more visible for the audience in your recording. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is open your browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Since I have already signed in, so it will open automatically. Now the next thing you need to do is go to this upper right corner and click on this Google Apps icon. There are many apps available. The one you're supposed to click on is Google Drive. So I'll click on it and it will open in a separate tab. Now after recording your presentation, you will simply go to this new tab on the left upper corner and click on it. Now it gives you two options, either to upload a file or a complete folder. So you're supposed to choose the first option, that is file upload. So this box has opened. Now you can choose any file that you want to upload on Google Drive. So you know the location of your recording wherever you have placed it. Simply choose it, click on it and then click open. So this will open here on your Google Drive. Next thing you need to do is simply click right on your uploaded file, and you have then two options: either to use this share option, in which you will have to provide my email and your uploaded file will be the link will be shared with me. For instance, let me do it for you. Let it upload. Here you can see it asks me to add people and groups. So here I'll simply add someone's email. Let me select one, Saklan Mushtaq for instance. Now I can send it, and this video will be shared with him through email. Next thing that is even easier to do is you simply copy the link. See, below this bigger box you have a smaller box. If you click on this copy link, the link is copied and it can be pasted anywhere in WhatsApp, email or even text messaging. Now let me click escape and go back. If you click right on this file, the next option that is given here is get shareable link. So if you click on it, link sharing is on. See, so you can share this link with anyone and they will be able to view your file. So what you need to do is simply use the first option, share, in which you will mention my email and your file will be sent to me, or you can copy this shareable link and paste it in my WhatsApp account, or even better, you need to combine all your files in one email. So what you're supposed to do is compose an email. For instance, if you want to send it to me, mention my email, subject assignment plus presentation. Here you can copy the link of your Google Drive plus attach your assignment using this attach files tab. So attach it and then you are good to send it to me and I'll be able to access it in no time. Next thing that is confusing many students and which is equally important is how to make your slides more visible and easily readable for the audience. See, this is the size of your slides in PowerPoint by default, and since I'm using PC you can do it on your smartphone as well. So simply go to this tab design and choose this page setup option. Now what you need to do is simply add to the width and height of these slides. Let me do it for you. 35, and let me make it 14. Now you can see the file size has widened. The next thing that you supposed to do is, so this is a title slide. Once you add a new slide, now you can see that the whole slide actually covers the screen. So one thing that you should do is first shrink this box, and then you will have a bigger slide. Next you should shrink this very box in which you write your points. So I'll bring it here. Similarly you can decrease the size of the title bar as well. Now what this has done is it has provided me this empty space. So place your webcam display somewhere here. So when you click shift 5 F5, so what you're going to see is your slide is going to appear on the larger part of your screen, plus your face is going to be visible on the space which I had emptied by shrinking the size of the slide text. So this will allow the viewer to see both of these things very clearly. And plus what you can do is, if I write down something here, similarly let me add a few lines. Now in order to make this more easily visible for the viewer, you can increase the font size as much as you want. So just keep your slides confined to a few points on every slide. Do not add many points. So just 2-3 points on one slide, and then the other points on the next slide. So by keeping the number of slides limited, you will have more space for increasing the font size and make your slides more easily readable for the viewer. So this is just to instruct you on how to upload your file on Google Drive, and then increase the size of your slides to make them more easily readable for the viewer. I hope you will follow these instructions and make better presentations. Thank you very much.